what I wanna do, then I'ma get a business too.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
Hey guys, I'm gonna do a Shop Miss A haul. I just got this package this morning. I was gonna do like a sit down and take everything out, but I really don't feel good. So, let's show you what I got. I got a lot of makeup brushes because I was in need of makeup brushes. So, let's see, because I don't remember exactly what I got. I just know I got some makeup brushes. What the? Well, that's it. No, I'm kidding. Just one paper? Okay, I guess. So, okay. So it's cute. I don't know how to do it. I'm a mess. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay. So it looks like that Shop Miss A. Voila! It's like wrapping inside of wrapping. Like I'm never gonna get to the products, but that's okay. Okay, so I got this AOA Studios, like their high quality brushes. Like they have like their normal brushes and they have like their studio professional brushes. So it looks like that. It kind of reminds me of Kylie Jenner's, but better. I'm not even gonna compare it to Kylie Jenner's. So it looks so nice. Look at all these brushes. I love it. I'll probably take this when I go travel. I don't want to bring my brushes with me. So that's the first thing. I got a hydrating face mask. I got single brushes, and I'll show you in a sec. I was like, this is a weird sponge. Okay, this is a brush cleaning egg, so I'm going to try it out. A sponge, really soft, well, from the packaging. Okay. Oh, that one was another sponge. And this is a blender base, so like to hold your blend, like your little thing right here, your sponges. And I got a bunch of single shadows. Not, what the heck, single shadows, really? A single brushes. We got this one. Oh my. It's really soft. I'm here for it. Actually, no, I don't want the trash right there. So far I got this, that. Yeah, can you even see that? And that's what I got so far. Let's see. This, because I'm still learning brushes, so I can't even tell you what these brushes are. The brushes are so soft. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm like, why is it not coming out? Yay! I'm so excited. I got so many, I forgot. I was like trying not to buy brushes in stores, so I was like, yeah, package coming on the way. Like, it's never coming. But here it is. I'm so excited. What is this? I don't remember what this is. What is this? Oh, it's a little brush. I was like, did I buy a lipstick? That's nice. So, yeah. I wish I could tell you what these brushes are, but I'm still learning makeup, so voila! And that's everything I got from Shop Miss A. They have really good stuff. If you guys want to buy any of their products, I really recommend going to their store. Everything was $1 besides like the set. All the brushes were $1 each. The mask was $1 each. The brushes, obviously. The sponges were $1. I want to say this kit was like $10. On here it doesn't say. Oh, what I had got. Okay. I think. Okay, so I got the cleaning egg, some sponges. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry I'm talking like that. And I got a 24-piece brush set. I thought I got single brushes on its own. So 24-piece brush set, and I got a 10-piece brush set. So I got 34 brushes in total. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And bye!